The DJI Osmo Nano is rapidly emerging as a promising new contender in the ultra-compact action camera market, representing a thoughtful evolution in how creators approach point-of-view footage. While DJI has been a dominant player in drones and gimbals, its Osmo series has garnered acclaim for combining exceptional imaging quality with user-friendly design. The Osmo Nano, based on early leaks and regulatory filings, appears to be a carefully crafted device targeting a niche audience that values extreme portability without compromising on premium features. Unlike DJI's previous offerings, such as the DJI Action 2 or the larger Osmo 360, the Osmo Nano is poised to compete directly with smaller, magnetically mountable cameras like the Insta360 GO 3. At the heart of the Osmo Nano's appeal is its rumored 1-inch sensor, a notable upgrade that signals DJI's ambition to push image quality in this tiny form factor to new heights. The significance of a 1-inch sensor cannot be overstated in the context of compact cameras. Larger sensors capture more light, which translates to better low-light performance, greater dynamic range, and richer color reproduction. This could give the Osmo Nano a clear advantage over the Insta360 GO 3, which utilizes a smaller 1/2 3-inch sensor. While the GO 3's sensor is competent and well optimized for its size, it naturally faces limitations in challenging lighting conditions or scenes requiring finer detail. DJI's experience with advanced color science, drawn from their extensive drone and Osmo camera lines, suggests that the Osmo Nano might deliver footage with natural, cinematic tones that minimize the need for heavy color grading in post-production. Coupled with DJI's rumored advanced image processing pipeline, users can expect enhanced HDR capabilities, cleaner shadow details, and smoother highlight roll-offs, all of which contribute to a more professional-looking video straight from the camera. In terms of body and design, the Osmo Nano reportedly takes inspiration from the sleek, minimalist approach pioneered by the Insta360 GO 3, but introduces its own refinements. Although heavier than the GO 3's ultra-lightweight 39 grams, at just under 180 grams, the Osmo Nano still remains extremely portable, suitable for all-day carry and quick mounting on various gear. This weight difference likely stems from its larger sensor, a more substantial battery, and a potentially more durable construction. Early images and FCC filings hint at a modular design that relies on magnetic attachments, eliminating the need for cumbersome clips or mounts. The camera itself may be complemented by a detachable external display, creating a dual-unit system that enables flexible shooting setups. This arrangement would be especially beneficial for vloggers, athletes, or drone pilots who require easy control and monitoring without sacrificing hands-free operation. Compared to the Insta360 GO 3's Action Pod, which also acts as a display and remote, DJI's modular approach might offer smoother integration and potentially better battery management, although final details remain to be confirmed. A critical strength of the Osmo Nano is expected to be its stabilization technology. DJI has long been a leader in gimbal and electronic image stabilization, and rumors suggest the Nano will feature AI-driven stabilization algorithms that adapt intelligently to the type of motion being captured. Unlike traditional stabilization methods that rely solely on mechanical components or fixed electronic processing, AI-based systems can predict movement patterns and apply frame adjustments proactively. This capability could result in exceptionally smooth footage even during high-intensity activities like mountain biking, skateboarding, or drone flying. Furthermore, the AI system might dynamically switch between wider and tighter fields of view depending on the stability of the camera, optimizing both image steadiness and scene composition. This kind of adaptive stabilization is a notable potential upgrade compared to the Insta360 GO 3's flow state stabilization, which, while effective and praised for 360 horizon locking, may not offer the same level of contextual intelligence. On the video capabilities front, the Osmo Nano reportedly supports 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, which would place it ahead of the Insta360 GO 3's maximum 2.7K at 30 frames per second in terms of raw resolution and frame rate options. Higher resolution and frame rates are important not only for image clarity, but also for enabling slow motion effects and detailed cropping in post-production. DJI is also expected to include intelligent AI tracking features, automatically keeping subjects in frame, a vital tool for solo creators and athletes who cannot manually control the camera during action. Additional modes such as vertical video capture, time-lapse, dynamic zoom, and gesture controls would round out the Osmo Nano's versatility for modern content creators, particularly those focused on social media platforms. DJI's Mimo app integration is anticipated to offer seamless real-time preview, in-app editing, and instant sharing capabilities, providing a smoother user experience compared to Insta360's app ecosystem, which, while feature-rich, sometimes struggles with latency or interface complexity. Furthermore, the Osmo Nano could synergize with DJI's drone platforms, functioning as a secondary camera angle that matches drone footage in color grading and style, or as a ground-level point-of-view camera that complements aerial shots. This level of ecosystem cohesion is difficult to replicate for competitors like Insta360 or GoPro, who operate mostly independent product lines without the same unified hardware and software environment. Pricing for the Osmo Nano is expected to fall between $299 and $399 USD, which positions it competitively against the Insta360 GO 3, often priced lower, but with fewer high-end features. The higher price bracket can be justified by DJI's larger sensor, AI-enhanced stabilization, and the integrated ecosystem, making it appealing to serious content creators who prioritize image quality and functionality over entry-level affordability. While not necessarily targeted at casual users or beginners, the Osmo Nano could become the go-to compact action camera for professionals and enthusiasts looking for a balance between size, quality, and versatility. The GO 3's ultra-lightweight and integrated action pod system make it incredibly convenient for casual users and those prioritizing ease of use above all else. Its waterproof rating and magnetic mounting system are excellent for quick setup and light adventure use. However, the Osmo Nano aims to elevate the user experience through significantly better sensor performance, advanced AI-driven stabilization, richer ecosystem support, and higher resolution video capabilities. DJI's offering appears better suited for creators who demand a professional-grade image with the flexibility to integrate multiple devices and capture varied content styles. The Osmo Nano's slightly larger footprint and weight are offset by these added features, marking a deliberate trade-off between absolute portability and enhanced creative control.